Once logged in, you will see the eGMS homepage, which contains useful announcements and reminders. You will also see the district to which you are associated. Some users who work with consortiums or resource centers may be associated to more than one district. In this case, a user such as this will need to select the district that they need to work in, and then return to the home page and select a new district to change. The primary menu items that you will be working with are the inbox, which contains emails that are sent to you or from within the system, the funding applications, which will allow you to access various funding applications and any application supplements that your district uses, the address book, which contains the names of all of the users within the district that have specific roles, as well as the state program people. The CSDE Resources is a library of program guidance by district or by funding application and training information. Request Help allows you to submit a help desk ticket and gives you the telephone number of the help desk. It also contains the names and contact information for the CSDE program people by grant. To access your funding application and open it, go to the Funding Application and then the Funding Applications menu item. This contains all of the grants to which your district has access. It is also listed by fiscal year so that if you need to go back to a previous year and view an application in that year, you can go back and open it. It also provides you with the current status of the application. To open the application, click on the application name. All funding applications in the eGMS system have a sections page, and the sections page for each one is identical except for the individual pages related to the application. There will be an information bar at the top which contains the district name, the fiscal year, and the particular funding application that you are working in. It will contain the application status, and it allows you to change the status. You must change the status to application started in order to work in the application. The current application status in this instance is not started. You must click on Application Started link, confirm, and now you can see that we've changed the application to started, and then the next app status in the workflow is completed. On the sections page, you will have links to the individual pages within the application. You will have validation messages which demonstrate any errors that may be in the application. And it is also the page from which you can print. You can print the whole application, or you can choose to select individual pages to print. The sections can be collapsed or opened. And again, the links to the pages are active links which will take you to those particular pages. The number one thing that you have to remember about navigating in your eGMS system is to use the Save and Go To button. If you use the backward and forward buttons of your browser, you will lose any information that you have entered onto the page. The Save and Go To button allows you to save information and stay on the same page, to navigate to the next page or the previous page, to go back to the sections log, or you can actually go to any page within the application from the Save and Go To button. While working in your application, you have a 1 hour time limit to save before you will lose the data. By using the Save and Go To button, You automatically save any information that has been entered on that page. If you have not done a save or navigated to another page within this 60-minute timeout, you will lose any information that has been entered. If you are working on a page that might have a large amount of text or information to be entered, use Save and go to Current Page, which will reset the timeout clock.